It looks like that guy right there, Tony Cairoli, has made one hell of a bike. Whether that's his riding or just Ducati throwing a ton of money at engineering, well, they're doing pretty well. If you're watching the Italian Championship, obviously Cairoli is a test rider, a development rider for this bike. He's not a full-time, racer. But at this point, he's still a 9 times champion. Correct? Yeah, 9-time world champion. So he still has the skills, whether he's past his prime like a few years, whatever. He's still going to ride that bike better than 99% of the population. And he proved it. Not only showing up well, but also taking the first round or first moto win, and Ducati as a whole getting a, was it Alessandro Lupino went 2-1 for the overall win, and then also he now leads the championship in the Italian, or now leads the Italian championship. Let's put it that way, it makes more sense. So this is looking good for Ducati, and this is, the big boy 450. So if they can develop a 250 that is also going to be competitive, you got to say this is looking really well for them. And I'm super excited when they finally come over and start racing. Well, they start racing at MXGP, and when we finally get the Ducati, was it Desmo 450, something like that? When we finally get that over here in the States, it's going to be great because that's another, like I said, another factory team. They're going to have all the big sponsors. It's not going to be some little privateer, no money squad. This is going to be big money, big team, signing the big names and looking fast. I'm assuming this is going to be a championship contending bike very quickly. If I'm wrong about that, you can quote me on it. But comments below, you guys tell me. Are you watching the Italian Championship? Have you been paying attention to this at all? Who do you think wins the 250, the 450 championships over here? Are you going to any rounds? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.